Hello folks, this is Off-Grid Gary again. You guys know I always doing stuff with solar, and you know, we're out in the middle of nowhere. And I'm in my shop. It's nothing fancy. I've got 2 walls on it. But I got a tire machine you can see in the background behind me. My problem is on a cloudy day, I never can use an air compressor. Just because an air compressor pulls so much power. And a gas compressor would be nice, but the problem with the gas is it's noisy. So, and electric compressors are noisy. And I'm one, I can't stand a lot of noise. So what I'm doing, I bought on eBay a 200 PSI air compressor that's tankless. It looks like it's got a tank, but it's an electric motor and it's 12 volts. And I plugged it in to a 12 volt battery and I ran it for probably a half hour. And I decided to hook it to a 6-gallon tank. And it didn't take real long, and I had 180 pounds of pressure. I plugged my tire machine in there, and it dropped it down to 60, and I gave it probably 5 minutes, and it was back up to 120, 130 pounds. So it really did good. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to take, and I'm going to use a compressor. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Hold on just a second. I got this thing on my car lift, and actually my car lift is also 12 volts, but it's hydraulic. But I got this little compressor I bought at Home Depot. I bought it about a year ago, and it don't work too bad, but the problem is it's real noisy, and it seems like the electric motor's going out. And I don't really use this thing that much, but I'm going to pull it off, and I'm going to pull this whole top piece off, and I'll show you what I'm going to put on it. And as you can see right here, this is the compressor. It's 12 volts. It really don't take no amps to speak of. And it's made by Valair. But this is a 200 PSI air compressor. Like I say, it didn't take long to pump up to 180 pounds. So let's see what happens. Now, as you can see, there's only 3 screws holding this on. And I'll have to run a hose from here to here and put a T on it for my new compressor to fit on there. And I got to build some tabs here. But the whole point of this, I've already pumped this tank up so I know it'll work. So it's already going to work great because I've let it run off and on for 20-30 minutes just kind of playing around the shop with it, and it worked. And you can go on eBay and you can buy these, but there's all kinds of parts you can buy with them, like electric cutoff valves. There's all kinds of stuff you can buy for these. These little compressors right here are designed to run at 100% duty at 150 PSI. But they actually use these for like on lowrider pickups where they're all bagged with suspension. And they got to be where they can run a lot and do a lot of bouncing without coming apart. So you can kind of see where I'm going with this. So when it's all finished, I'll do another video. Thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the videos. Have a good day. Bye.